Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free soundboard on your PC or laptop so you can play sounds and effects really easily. So first, simply download the free soundboard app like Resonance or EXP Soundboard. So both are actually lightweight and safe to use on Windows. Next, you can then install the app and open it. From there, you will then be able to drag and drop your own sound effects into the app to create your soundboard. Then you can also make sure to set the output device to your microphone or a virtual audio cable. That's of course if you want the sounds to play in apps like Discord or Zoom. So once you set it up, you can just press a button in the soundboard to play your sounds live.
Nice.
And that's it. So you'll then be able to have a fully functional free soundboard on your PC or laptop. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you in the next one.